Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Let's modify a lighting bolt using the direct selection tool. Select the bolt shape to reveal anchor points. Click the top anchor and adjust the angle. Shorten its handle to sharpen the points. Now adjust the mid segment anchor to exaggerate the zigzag. Refine the bottom anchors to align the path. Bend segment, intensify the bolt sign. Zoom in to manage jagged areas, smooth unwanted round roughness, balance left and right segment. Now correct harsh angles by pulling handles, recheck zigzag consistency, clean the entire path edge by edge, apply final refinements for clarity. The direct selection tool creates a crisp, dynamic lighting icon.